In today's tutorial, we will be making a completely custom item called the orange, which you can eat for food. We'll be making our very first Minecraft add-on. This will work for all versions of Minecraft except for Java Edition. Now, the very first thing is download and install this program called Bridge. You're going to want to go to bridge-core.github.io and it should bring you to this page. You just want to click download, and download again, and it should allow you to download a Bridge web setup. Run that, it should install. You will be able to open this program. It should look like this for you. We're going to want to go to extensions, view extensions, go to theme, and then this will bring up a bunch of different themes that you can choose from. But what you're going to want to go to is you want to go to modern theme, which should be near the top. It's made by me. And you are going to check global installation and then hit download. Now you can close out of that. Then you're going to go to File, Preferences, Settings, Appearance, then Global Theme, and choose Modern Dusk. If this is just black, hit Control Shift and R, and that will reload it, and it should show up the correct background. Now to get to the actual add-on or mod, we're going to choose the Behavior Pack tab, then click this icon right here, which is going to create a new project. I'm going to name this project YouTube Tutorial, and we're going to choose a namespace. I'm just going to choose YT, and then we're going to choose a description. I'm just going to call this a description. And then you're going to want to choose 1.16.100. Now that's important because some features may change depending on the version, and this version should have the least bugs and will match with mine. Then you're going to want to hit create. And so now you've created your very first add-on, but it does not do anything yet. So we're going to add an orange item. And you can eat it and it'll restore some of your hunger. I'll create more advanced tutorials in the future, but this is just to get you started with the basics. So you're going to want to hit new file, and you can create a bunch of new files, but you're going to go down and choose item. And then we're going to name this orange because we're creating an orange. And there's a bunch of different templates which you can choose from, but I'm just going to search apple and choose the apple. Create. Now, you can see this is the code, and you can just click on the thing to expand it and see what's inside. I'm going to expand all of it. The very first thing you want to do, and this is very important, is you want to take this 1.10, click on it, and then down here you can change it to 1.16.100. It's very important. Now, we want to go to this identifier, click on Minecraft:apple, and change this to YT:orange. The reason I changed this to YT:orange is because remember when I set the namespace to YT and we're creating an orange item. So you're going to do the namespace, the item name. So YT:orange. Now, we can leave all of these settings the same, or you can change them. For example, the use duration, you want to make that shorter or longer. I'm going to change this to 0.4 to make it really short. And then we can give us a bunch of nutrition by changing this to 6. That should be fine. So we've changed the way the game works. We've added an orange. And there is an item that you can use now if you create a world with this add-on that it's called the orange, and you can eat it and it'll give you food. But it will not look like an orange. So that's what we need to do next. So you want to click this resource pack tab and then hit create. And we're going to name this RP for resource pack and just type RP here. And so we're going to want to go to textures. And you can see there's no place to put a texture. You can't create a texture file if we go to new file. So we're going to want to right click on this, hit Reveal in File Explorer, and this should open a File Explorer. And we're just going to double click on textures to open it up. We're just going to leave this open and head back to our browser and go to this website. It's called www.piscalapp.com. This website will allow us to create an orange texture, which will be the item. So we can click Create Sprite. And as you can see, I already have some colors chosen here. If you don't have these, you can click on Manage Palette, and then there'll be this little icon which you can just click to add more colors, and then you can click on one of the colors and just change it around to the colors you like. And then you can click Save, and we have some colors here to edit with. So I'm just going to choose this orange color and click this pen tool and just draw a circle. Now, this is going to be a terrible drawing because we're trying to work fast for the tutorial. Okay, and choose green, and boom, we have a little orange. Very beautiful looking orange, but we're going to want to hit Export, then click PNG and hit Download, and that should download the file. We're going to open a new File Explorer by typing here and choosing File Explorer. And then you should see in Downloads this orange image. We're going to right click, hit Rename, and we're going to rename this to orange.png. Then we're going to open up that other File Explorer from earlier and drag the orange image onto that. We're going to reopen Bridge and click this Reload button. And that now you should see the orange texture right here, and you can even look at it. Close out of that. We're going to want to go to item_texture.json. Click on texture data. Then type right here, we're going to want to add orange. Then it should give us a little texture button, and that will automatically add textures. And then we can click here again and choose the 0, and then click here and type orange. But that's not what we want to type. We want to type textures/orange.png. And so that is just saying that the orange texture is under textures orange.png. So we're going to want to go back to our orange file from earlier. Click on this components. Then right here, type icon, and you should see icon come up. Click on that. Then you should see, click on this, and texture will be there. And then we can click right here and just type orange. And we're going to want to hit Control S to save. And go to this other one and hit Control S to save. Now, our mod is done. We can open Minecraft, create a new world. Let's make this creative. And then we're going to want to scroll down, and this is very important. Enable experiments. All of these experiment checks, we want to enable all of those. And then you're going to want to go to Behavior Packs, click My Packs, and you should see your behavior pack show up. You're going to want to click on it and hit Activate, and then hit Continue. And then we can create the world. It will load in. And then you should see a brand new world. You can get your new item by entering the creative inventory and searching orange. And you can see our orange is right here in all its beautiful glory. Now, you might not be able to see the orange in your hand, but that's perfectly fine. What we're going to do is I'm going to set my game mode to survival, the commands, and then give myself hunger. So now I am hungry, and my hunger bar will go down, and we can start eating the orange. And you might not be able to see yourself eating the orange, but you can see your hunger bar go up. This was a very simple item. All you can do is eat it. It doesn't even show up in your hand. But this is a very simple tutorial, and more tutorials come out, more advanced topics, such as custom entities, blocks, and other things. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Like and subscribe if you wish to see more. And if you need any help, make sure to join the Bridge Discord server. It's not owned by me, but it is, in my opinion, the #1 server for getting any help regarding add-ons. All links will be in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.